Welcome to the SmartTask tutorial for guest users. As clients, you will be given access to projects that we currently have with you, and there are several good reasons why SmartTask is a great platform for project management as well as communicating with your team. So firstly, it's the same interface as Trello and Asana. So starting with the sidebar, here you'll be able to confirm the organization that you're in, the tasks if ever you are assigned to, the contacts, the groups, and the projects. So basically, all of the things that you'll see here on the sidebar are only the ones that you were given access to. And so also here on the board, it is basically the same way as how it was presented in Trello and Asana. Here are the list of the tasks, the boards, and the cards. If ever, you can just easily drag each card to whichever list that you want to transfer it to, as well as the tabs here on top. You'll be able to see the list of your tasks under the tasks bar, the boards, the calendar, in which you can also just easily transfer each task if ever you want to move it to a different due date, the feed, and you can also easily chat with your team. There is a chat feature for SmartTask, the analytics, the timeline, and for more, there would be files where you can easily access the files that were basically uploaded in each task, as well as the contacts. But also, one good thing with SmartTask is that the security is very high. So in this case, I only have a guest user access. As you can see here, contacts are not accessible to guest user. So you will not be able to see the contacts in this particular organization. So you will only be able to see it if you were given access to it. Also, sharing your task links as well as adding files is very easy. For example, let's go to this board again, and for this particular task, and just on this paperclip icon, you'll be able to attach a file from your Dropbox, from your Google Drive, from your computer, or you can just simply get the link of that particular file. You can label it with a file name and just paste the file link and then attach. And then in sharing your task link, or for you to be able to get the task link, just click on this icon and copy task link. It should show you this pop-up, task link copy to clipboard, and just go wherever you want to share it to. For example, on the chat with your team, just paste it, or if you want to go to a particular task again, to a different task, just paste the link and they should be able to easily go to that task card. And speaking of tasks, you can also set reminders to whoever it is who's currently working on your project. So for example, on this particular task, this is where you would want to go, and here under duplicate task, you'd see add reminder. You can set a date. For example, on October 10 at 12 a.m., you would want to set a reminder for either for all followers, to you, or to the assignee. So usually you'd want to do it for either all followers or to the particular VA that is working on your project. And here are the conditions. You can either set a reminder if the task is incomplete on this date, or for any particular scenario, you would want to just set a reminder for October 10 at 12 a.m. just to check the status of this particular task or project, and then just save, and this should go on the set date. Also on the task detail pane, you'll be able to see the virtual assistants working on this particular task. Just go at the bottom and check the followers. You'll be able to confirm their names, and also for the updates here, you can click on the drop down and choose all activities for you to see the most recent updates. And you can also filter it for only just the comments. So aside from the comment section, you can also go to the chat tab beside the feed section. and you can directly chat with everyone who's currently working on your project. And if you want to start a meeting, just click on this video icon to start the meeting and they will automatically be notified. Or you also have the option to invite more people and copy the link. Or you can also share it via your email, via Google Outlook or Yahoo. And there's also an option for you to record it. Just click on more actions and just record the meeting. That way you'll no longer need to wait for a Zoom link. You can just easily access the meeting option in SmartTask. And you can also access it through your mobile device. Just go to smarttask.com and log in just how you would do it. And then this is how you would see it on your mobile. You would have the same access for the notifications and the tasks. And you can also access your messages or even create a new chat thread. And when it comes to time tracking and reporting, it's also very convenient as you no longer have to go to your WorkSnaps account. SmartTask already has this feature, and for you to be able to see all the data, just go to the icon beside the notification bell, the clock icon, and here are all the activities or the tasks that were worked on by a particular user or a particular virtual assistant. Here are the total minutes or hours that it was worked on, and this would be the average for the whole week or month. And then for the analytics, you can also choose on which project, if ever you have access to it. For example, for VA board, you'll be able to see the reported time. 1 hour and 19 minutes has been worked on so far by all of these users. Here is the breakdown for each user. You'll also be able to see that here under Analytics. And when it comes to timesheet reporting, just click on this tab. And here you'll see the list of all the users and the total number of hours that they were able to work for each day. So let's say for me in particular, the total hours that I worked on so far is 2 hours and 39 minutes. You can see it here, total minutes that I was able to work for each day. So on October 6th, it was for 47 minutes. October 7, 1 hour, 12 minutes. October 9, 40 minutes. So that will be a total of 2 hours and 39 minutes. And if ever you'd like to keep a copy for yourself, just click on this printer icon and you should be able to download a CSV file.